Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a smoky eyeliner look. I'm going to use this beautiful eye palette that's a natural glow color. I'm going to start with the lightest color all over my eyelids. I usually start with the lighter color on my eyelids because it primes my eye. So I'm going to use the darker color, the brown, in the corner of my eye. I'm going to just whip up like an eyeliner and really smoke it out. I'm going to use the NARS bronzer, and I'm going to apply that all over the corner of my eye to my crease and make it really cat eye. I love using bronzer as like my base because it gives like this orangey tone to your eyes, especially when you're trying to do like a foxy eye look or a very smoky eyeliner. And I keep just applying, adding more to my eyelids where I want to apply. I usually try to imagine there's like an eyeliner there and just really smoke it out from my eyelids and out. I'm going to go with the Spicy Bronzer palette. I'm going to start with the brown. I'm going to apply it in the corner of my eye again and just keep doing the same motion that I was doing earlier. And just really smoking and keep adding the color. The more you keep adding, the more it will look as like an eyeliner. I'm just using like a flat brush to apply it and blend it as well. After that, I'm going to go with my blending brush and really smoke it out. You want to make sure that you really blend because that makes everything very even and very smoky. So what I do, I just smoke it out. I keep adding more of the shadow, and the more I add, the darker it looks. I'm using the Artistry Studio palette. I'm gonna start using the black sparkly one. I'm using a Morphe brush, an ankle one. And you can see here I start going upwards and just slightly do the eyeliner and just slide it towards my eyelid. I just let the brush guide me and I keep adding more until I see where do I want to stop, how long I want my wing. And here I will show you more detailing how I do it. So I keep doing a first line with the angle brush. I keep going down and slightly I keep adding more until I see the perfect eye wing that I want. When I go towards the middle or towards the closer to my nose, I just slightly try to go in with the eyeliner. And then here you decide if you want a thicker eyeliner or thinner. And it's okay if you mess up, you can always go again and fix it, or you can try to put more like the eyeshadow. It's totally fine. You don't have to worry. It's okay if you make a mistake because the more you do it, the better you get. So I do want to let you guys know that when I do my makeup videos, I'm not wearing my eye contacts. So I'm using like a smaller mirror. I do have a mirror in front of me, a big mirror, but I cannot see myself because I'm not wearing contacts, so it's kind of a little blurry to me. So if I do a mistake, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna use the spicy browns to go on top of the black and apply it as an eyeliner on top, and then go after and really blend it together. After that, I go with the black eyeshadow and start doing the wing again and really define it and do my eyeliner a little thicker. I usually like doing my eyeliner a little thicker because of the eyelashes, just in case if I messed up, you can't tell as much because the eyeliner hides it a little. And then I go after really smoking it out. And then I go back to the other colors, the brown, and use all the colors I use on the top and use it on my waterline. And make it really smoke it out on the bottom of your eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go in with my Artistry Studio brow brush. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows really nice, making sure no hair is on the way. And then after, I go with the Artistry Studio brow in the color brown. So I just brush it up, the front ones, and then towards the middle, towards the end, I brush them towards the side and down. And then towards the end, I just really make sure they look how I want them, really brush them. And I love how they look very nice and perfectly. The mascara I'm using today is the Artistry Studio Mascara 2-in-1. First, I'm going to apply the volume one, and then the second, it will be the length, just so it looks longer, the eyelashes. I'm also going to apply some lashes. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe and share my video to anyone you think they like makeup. And thank you for watching. Have a great one. Bye bye.